Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, share or follow the page. So gospel artist Singer Hlengiwe Mhlaba is embroiled in a dispute with a motorist following a road accident in KwaZulu-Natal. Siyabonga Msomi said the star crashed into the back of his car and is now refusing to repair it. The accident happened on Tuesday, October the 31st, on the R74 between Escort and Mnambiti. Now, according to Msomi, Hlengiwe was driving at high speed, and at some stage she overtook him, you guys. I wasn't happy with the way she was driving, mainly because the weather was bad and that road is always full of trucks. So I decided to drive past her. I noticed a cow in the middle of the road and immediately applied the brakes. This caused her to crash into my car, causing damage on the back bumper. I suspect she did not see the cow because she was following me very closely. Now, you guys, after the accident, Mhlaba allegedly came out of her car and started shouting at Msomi. I blame her for the accident because she did not keep a safe distance between my car and her car. Had she kept the distance, she would have seen the cow and avoided the accident. I told her this, but she refused to take accountability. Instead, she shouted at me and blamed me for stopping the cow. I expected her to apologize, but she refused. She made it clear that she will not pay for this damage. A few days later, I contacted her with the intention of getting a solution to this problem. I wanted her to fix my car or apologize. Instead, I received a note from her. Unfortunately, I don't have car insurance and I'm not going to take this any further, said an angry Msomi. Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section. Also, like, share, subscribe, or follow the page if you haven't yet done so, guys. I will definitely see you on the next video. Bye.